Hey everybody, my name's Sam Meeker, market professional with Caterpillar, and I'm here to introduce our brand new D8XE Dozer. So what makes the D8XE different than the D8, of course, is that XE powertrain. It's going to be very similar to the D6XE in its components, in that we've got our engine, we've got the generator connected directly to the engine. Power goes through an inverter, which conditions and manages that power, sends it down into one motor that is in our propulsion unit, right? Basically in our drive unit. So we have one motor down there, spins forward, the tractor goes forward, spins backward, the tractor goes backwards. Pretty simple. Now, how do we accomplish steering? So we've had our differential steering system for 40 years now, right? Since the mid-80s. The way differential steering works is that we take that input from that electric motor and we split it up into those two shafts, and we use a set of differential gears to speed up and slow down each of those, which allows us to very finely control the steering of that machine. So the D8XE is also built onto our next-gen D8 platform, and so that means it's going to have very, very similar components to a regular D8. Same blade, push arms, same roller frames and undercarriage, same tractor frame, same engine, and we also have a lot of the same serviceability components on there. So in terms of a customer, buying fluids and filters and consumables, they're going to be the same for both tractors. It's also got the same next-gen cab. So next-gen cab, we started to bring out with the D6s back in 2019. And we've carried that on here into the brand new next-gen D8XE. So fantastic visibility out of that cab, lots of leg room, lots of space in the cab, and therefore a lot of a volume of air and very good airflow in there. Of course, next-gen controls, the displays and screens, great visibility all around, and the technology. So similar technology to what we have on our other lineup of tractors, where we've got our assist with ARO. That's going to be all of your 2D features, your indicate features, as well as preparation for going up to 3D. A couple ways you can go into 3D. The first is called 3D Ready, which basically gives you all of the components, but not the software. So it gives you the hardware, but not the software. And then, of course, Cat Full 3D out of the factory, where you can get all of those components and everything in there ready to go. So this tractor also has our new Steer Assist and Steer Assist 3D, and it also has an auto rip feature as well. So a lot of technology to help those operators do that type of work. So in addition, talk just a little bit about serviceability. One of the cool things we've done with serviceability is we have our brand new big bushing track. So our D8 heavy duty track is going to have our big bushing in there. So it's going to give you a little bit extra wear on that bushing, and it kind of evens out the wear between the rail and the bushing in there too. This track also has our Cat Track wear sensor. So there's a sensor built into one link. You can see it on the other side. I'll show you in a minute. That sensor basically measures those links as they wear down, and then it sends a message back to the dealer and the customer and let them know that they're at a 40% worn, 70% worn, or 100% worn situation. So helping you kind of get ahead of those service things as well. All right, let's go take a look at the new Ripper. So let's go take a look at our brand new Ripper here. This is our new D8 single shank weighted Ripper. So this is a weighter with a Ripper with optional counterweights on it, and it's a single shank Ripper. It's designed for that heavy rock, hard rock ripping, where you can't get the penetration with a standard single shank Ripper. So giving you a lot of really, really good performance in those really hard rock situations where you can't blast, but you need to rip. Also includes a nice little integrated tow point in here as well too. And it includes our Auto Rip 2.0. So the latest version of Auto Rip basically turns ripping into a two-button operation. So the lower button is going to lower that ripper shank down, shank it forward into the proper ripping position, and then it's going to manage the throttle for you, so you don't have to sit on the D-cell. It measures and watches for track slip. If you get track slip, it will modulate the shank and or lift it up and down to help get past that tough spot. So really, really easy. Helps out teach new operators the proper ripping technique as well too. That upper button, when you click that, picks up, shanks out, and gets you ready for the next pass. So a nice, simple two-button operation for ripping with Auto Rip 2.0. So brand new D8XE at the ConExpo here. We've got a really nice blade graphic talking a little bit about where it started with the old D7E, our next step up D6XE, and of course the components of the brand new D8XE. So if you've got any more questions, make sure you go out and take a look at all the content we have out there on cat.com. Follow us on all the socials, and lots of great places to get good information about the D8XE.